Hello and welcome to Ivory Blush Roses. My name is Lisa Boney and today we're going to look at a package I received from a friend earlier this week, as well as a huge bag of buttons that I found at the thrift store. I received a package today from one of my dear stitching friends, and I've just cut it open and thought I would share it with you. Oh my goodness, it's a treasure trove. Let's take a look and see what's here. There's some wired ribbon right off the bat, all kinds of things. We've got some pearl cotton, and you know me, I love pearl cotton, so those things will be just wonderful. Some bits of trim. I love this rainbow trim. Oh, and some of this type of trim. I love this, used around the edge of pin cushions. It is so much fun. Look at all of this. Pearl cotton number 8 in all sorts of lovely colors. Some of this looks like pearl cotton. Some of it looks like it might be crochet type cotton. But look at all these colors. Look at the beautiful reds. So many things. Look at that. Oh, and all the lovely colors. Beautiful. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun using some of these on various things. Let's see what this is on the cards. All sorts of embellishment threads, other flosses. Just wonderful. I'm just so excited to really get into that and see what else is there. Then we have a whole bag of trims. So I just need to dump it out and look at it, and I love these types of trims. They're so wonderful for making ribbon flowers. This is a beautiful bias trim. That's going to be amazing on something. More wired ribbon. Lots of things. Rayon ribbon, picot edged. All of these are just wonderful for so many types of things. There's a lace trim. It's got wire in it and it stretches so you can shape it. That could be fun. Some lovely brocade type trims. How much fun is this going to be to add this to my stash and have these additional things, because so far I haven't seen anything that I actually already have. Oh, and I love these ribbons. That makes beautiful leaves. Lovely bits. That's the thing I love about crazy quilting. You can take a tiny bit of ribbon like that and turn it into something just spectacular. Let's see what else we have here. Looks like it's from a wedding dress, so it has all the little buttons down the front. Wouldn't that be fun to use on something? Oh, another bag. Oh, this is a lot of pearl cotton. I happen to know that this individual who gifted me this box, she and I have a very similar taste in colors. So you can see she's got lots of greens and the pinks. But I love that she's got some beautiful bright things. And again, it looks like it's mostly colors that are different from what I have. So that's wonderful. And look, there's a bag here that's got a lot of this fancy kind of eyelash yarn. I love using this on under the C blocks, and when stitched down or couched down, it does wonderful things. There's a couple of different kinds, and I have very little that's orange, so it's kind of fun to have that. So also in this box, let's see what else. Gosh, look at these fun ladybugs, whether they were already made or where she did them. I actually have a pin cushion cut out that I probably can use some of those on. That'll be fun. And there's some other trims here. Oh, I love this daisy trim. There's another one that's great for around the base of a pin cushion, but it'd be good on a block with trim as well. Some bits of lace. More ribbon. Oh, these are some beautiful oyas, crocheted and beaded from Turkey. Those are beautiful. Really gorgeous. More ribbon. Look at that with the gold edge. I know exactly where I'm going to use that one actually. So here's some lovely old linens. Those are gorgeous. And bits of handkerchief. These, I know where that's been used. She's used that on a project of hers. Oh, look at those. Those will be gorgeous to use on something. Some old applique linens. Those are wonderful as well. almost to the bottom. What a fun box this has been to receive. Thank you so much, dear friend. I can't wait to use these lovely things on my own projects. It's such a generous and amazing gift. Thank you. I was planning on having a no-buy year for craft supplies, but I stopped at the thrift store this week and discovered a huge bag of buttons marked a very reasonable half off, and I couldn't bear to leave them there. It's always fun to go through a big bag like this and see what one gets. Once I got home, I put them in a bowl of soapy water and cleaned them up. Oh my, were they ever dirty. Then I spread out a couple of dish towels and sorted them out to dry. What a grand assortment of buttons. There are a large number of plastic pearlized buttons, which I'm going to use with the granddaughters to make some button necklaces. There are a number of oddments, such as drapery hooks, snaps, a couple of screws, hooks, a nail, bits of shell, an I Love New York button, and a lovely old buckle. There's also a large assortment of everyday shirt buttons. There's bone buttons, some woven leather buttons, bone and plastic rings, a wide assortment of plastic and celluloid buttons in all colors. There's an assortment of metal buttons and some lovely old glass Victorian era buttons. And best of all, a nice handful of old mother of pearl buttons, my favorites. In all, it's a really nice assortment of buttons, including some huge old coat buttons that I'm not sure what I'll do with. This one was especially nice as it has buttons from the Victorian era all the way up through recent times. So I ended up with a lot of new items for my stash this week. It's all been sorted and put away in the studio now, and it's time to get back to finishing the linen heart bag and to work on the first denim crazy quilt block. I'm looking forward to sharing both of those with you shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It really does help me out. Click on the bell to be notified of new videos, and I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up. Happy stitching, and I'll see you in the next video.